Please subscribe.
New for 2019. The 2019 Subaru Ascent is an all-new 3-push hybrid, supplanting the since quite a while ago suspended Rebecca. Trim levels, interior and exterior options. The 2019 Subaru Ascent is the biggest hybrid Subaru offers, opening over the Outback. Similarly as with all Subaru models aside from the BRZ Sports Roadster, all-wheel drive comes standard. 4 trim levels are accessible on the 2019 Ascent, which situates up to 8. Rising, the bass trim accompanies fabric upholstery, the Eyesight well-being suite, 8 traveler seating, tri-zone atmosphere control, a rear-view camera, Bluetooth, Subaru's Starlink infotainment framework with a 6.5-inch touchscreen, 4 USB ports, 18-inch combination wheels, and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto joining. Climb Premium. Moving up to the premium trim gets you spill-safe fabric upholstery, warmed front seats, vulnerable side observing with backcross activity caution, a bigger 8.0-inch touchscreen, 4G LTE network, a calfskin wrap directing and move handle, a power movable driver's seat, a programmable power raise liftgate and raise situate atmosphere controls. Climb Limited models make you steer responsive full LED headlights, LED haze lights, a flexible power liftgate, warm second line seats, calfskin upholstery, keyless section, begin, 6 USB ports, and a power movable traveler's seat. Climb Touring. The range-topping touring trim gets you an all-encompassing sunroof, Java dark-colored calfskin upholstery, ventilated front seats, root, a 14-speaker Harman Kardon premium sound framework, 8 USB ports, and a 180-degree front view camera. The all-encompassing sunroof, Harman Kardon premium sound framework, second push chief seats, and programmable power raise liftgate are accessible as choices on lower trims, and standard on higher trims. Execution and fuel economy. The 2019 Ascent is controlled by another 2.4-liter turbo level 4 with 260 horsepower and 277 pounds-to-foot of torque combined to a CVT. Security. Standard on every one of the 2019 Ascent models is Subaru's Eyesight well-being suite, which incorporates forward crash cautioning, versatile voyage control, programmed crisis braking, path-keeping help, programmed high pillars, switch programmed crisis braking, and in addition path flight and influence cautioning. Vulnerable side cautioning and back cross movement ready comes standard on higher trims and discretionary on lower models. Utility. On the premium and higher trims, the 2019 Ascent can tow up to 5,000 pounds of payload. Behind the third line, there's 17.8 cubic feet of load space that can be extended to 47.5 cubic feet behind the second column and 86.5 cubic feet behind the front seats. Models with the sunroof have marginally less payload limit at 17.6 cubic feet behind the third line, 47 cubic feet behind the second line and 86 cubic feet behind the front seats. What we think? In a survey of a model, we said that the new turbocharged motor offers great throttle reaction, increasing speed off the line, yet at cruising speeds, it could utilize more power. There's insignificant clamor entering the lodge and the driver can without much of a stretch have a discussion with somebody seating in the third line. On account of the level 4 motor being situated low in the structure, the Ascent feels planted and doesn't flounder. The hybrid's guiding is responsive, not requiring excessively input. Getting in and out of the Ascent is simple in spite of its 8.7 creeps of ground leeway. Inside, the lodge is open and you can fit grown-ups in third column, yet with very little space to save. Cool fact. The 2019 Subaru Ascent is the primary vehicle to utilize the automaker's new 2.4-liter turbo level 4.